Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can unlock your TRON on Trust Wallet. So first, just open your mobile application and then just have to log in. And then once you're logged in, go ahead and search for TRON. But most of the time, you are able to find TRON coin on the homepage. But if you are not able to find on the homepage, then you need to tap on the circle in the top right. So after that, you need to tap on this plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. And after that, you need to tap on the search bar in the top. And in the search bar, you simply need to search for Tron. So if you want to put it on the home page, then you just have to turn on this toggle button on the right. So next to Tron, and once it turns green, it simply means that you have successfully added Tron on the home page of Trust Wallet. So over here, you need to tap on the TRX, and here you're going to see a bunch of different options. So now among these options on the page, you're going to see the option of staking or start earning. So you will have to click on this option, and then you will be redirected on this page. Now over here, if you are not able to use your Tron coin, it simply means that you have staged your Tron coin. So whenever you stake your coins on the Trust Wallet or any other exchanges, you will not be able to use them for trading or for buy or selling. So in order to unlock them, you simply need to unstake them. So over here, you're just going to see the option of unstake. So you need to tap on unstake, and after that, you just have to confirm your unstaking. And then on the page of your Tron coins, and it will be unstaked if you confirm the unstaking. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!